Hi, and welcome back, Surfside Beach, for your market update, your local market update for 29575 for 2024 May. So we have gained a little price, which is good. Sales price went up to 531,181 because we did drop in April. So that's good. You rebounded, and it's all about timing. This is why I do these for everybody. The market is about timing. And this proves it. So stay tuned. I do this every month and I'll be on time. Now, I got caught up on some things and had a long vacation, so I do apologize. Days on market, 68 is the average days it takes to sell. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Average days is 68 days to sell, to get it under contract, actually. 227. Wow. Well, it's the second highest it's been. This is price per square foot since 2024 started. And we have months of supply, 2.6. It's the highest since 2024, but that's okay. Active listings, we have 74, 28 pending sales, and 41 closed sales. So if you have any questions, now remember this is just single family residential. If you're looking for townhomes, condos, or manufactured, you have to call me directly and I can get you that information. I'm always here to help, keeping you informed on what's going on in the market. Thanks for watching. Take care.